Hello guys, I'm going to introduce you one very rare fruit that you have never tasted or seen in your life. Okay, this is the fruit. By seeing the fruit, what do you think? Can you figure out? What kind of fruit is this? Where does it grow? Do you know? No, you are not. I don't think you have ever tasted this fruit. And I think you can't unless you come here. This fruit is found in only one location of this world. For now, nobody is producing it. It just grows in the wild, but it can be commercialized someday. And it is the best fruit that I like for now. My number one fruit was mangosteen, but after I have tasted this fruit, it became my number one fruit. It has a taste of mangosteen and passion fruit mix. And how amazing this fruit is, you just see. And if you want to taste this is a very, very rare fruit that you can only find in the month of July and August, and then no more. Do you know where do you find this? You find this in Palawan, Philippines. So if you ever come to Palawan, Philippines, you better taste this precious fruit. Okay, now we'll open one of the fruit for you to show you how it looks like, so that you can see the inside contents. Remember, it's triple size or double size than mangosteen, and it tastes like mangosteen plus passion fruit. If you know what is passion fruit and you know what is mangosteen, then you will know if you mix these two how it will taste like. So it tastes like that. You can just see it. See there, it has a tender skin on top of that. That's why it doesn't last really that longer, because of that. After it is already brown, it lasts for 7-8 days, then it becomes spoils. Now you see one of these rolls. It's big, it's big in size, and then you just put that in the mouth and you eat like mangosteen. See that rolls? It's a very delicious roll. See? And it tastes like mangosteen. See? It's full. The mangosteen has so much space, but it doesn't have any space. It's full of that mangosteen taste flesh with seeds inside. So do not miss this fruit when you come to Palawan. You can find only in July and August. Very, very delicious food. See, after it is eaten, the seeds are inside like that, and still you can eat even more, and it tastes and it tastes and it tastes very, very good. And if you have further comments or inquiry, please you can feel free to write below so that I can just reply you. And if some of you are looking for seeds to plant it and try to plant it, please let me know. This plant is a plant that grows in vines, same like passion fruit, and it needs a big tree around it or near it, or maybe can be produced without a big tree, as long as it has something to crawl over. So that's how it is. But as I told you, there's nobody commercialized this fruit, and it is only found in the wild. So for now, this is the status of this fruit. It cannot be, I don't know, it can be imported or exported, because it lasts only after you pick it out from the plant. When it is brown, it lasts only for 6 to 7 days, and then it spoils. So anyway, keep thinking about this amazing fruit, and if you have a chance, just taste it. So delicious. The taste of mangosteen and passion fruit mixed together. Such an amazing fruit. It's my #1 fruit now. Thank you for watching.